Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Mr. Coffee 5-cup Mini Brew programmable coffee maker. More specifically, how to set the clock and the programmable timer. I have a bit of a cold today, so I might sound a little bit nasal and stuffed up, so just please excuse that. It's bad enough I have the reverb in this room for audio. Something which I'm going to work with should this channel grow. Now, I purchased this unit for 20 bucks at Target, brought it home, and I found that the instruction manual wasn't really that helpful as far as how to use the machine. How to set the clock, programmable timer. It wasn't really a good how-to guide, if you will. I know you can't read it, but that's one of the reasons why I'm making this video. The cover of the unit swings over to the side. You have the water spout that swings back and forth. Just push that to the side, and you have the removable brew basket. And this takes a 4-cup size basket style filter. This is what we're going to be using in a minute. Pour the water in, making a full 5-cup pot. Put in the filter basket. And I'm going to use 5 tablespoons for the full pot of this regular strength Maxwell House ground coffee. 3, 4, and 5. Swing that over the brew basket, and we'll close it. I don't think it would close if the spout is over the water reservoir. Yeah, it won't. So you want to just make sure that's over the brew basket. So at the base of the unit, very simple interface, hour and minute button, brew now and brew later buttons. So when you plug it in, the time will flash 12 o'clock. And you head over to the hour and minute button, you set the current time. In this example, let's just set it for like 3:05 p.m. Notice you got the AM PM indicator. We'll go to 3:05. Once it stops flashing, the current time is set. Now to set the programmable timer, head over to the brew later button. Press that. Once again, time flashes. And you set the time you want it to go off in the morning. If it stops flashing, you just go over and you press it again. Actually, you have to press it twice, okay? And we're going to set it for 6:05 a.m. Once it stops flashing, now the time is set at 6:05 a.m. to go off in the morning. And you just want to double check that that brew later button, that orange indicator, that light is illuminated. Now, if you don't want to deal with the clock or programmable timer, you just want to put the water in, put the coffee grounds in, and start the unit. Just treat that brew now button as an on-off button. So that's how you operate the unit. Pretty simple. I just wish the instruction manual was a little bit more detailed. The cool thing about this unit, you could flip the lid and watch it brew. And that's your water level indicator. So that took about 8 to 9 minutes to complete. Started at 6:05 a.m. It's 6:14. So that's not so bad for the full pot. Put a splash of milk in, get an idea of strength. I do like the temperature, 165. Usually I get 160, even 155. Okay, everyone, that's going to conclude this video. Hope it was interesting. I hope it was helpful for anyone who wanted to figure out the clock and programmable timer. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.